Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google TV, and in this video I will show you on how to install apps in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to apps right here. Go ahead and click on OK, and the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, apps category, entertainment, audio and music, video player and editor, tools, lifestyle, etc. So in this tutorial I'm going to install education apps. So I'm going to click on OK. Then here, these are available apps under education app right here. So I'm going to go ahead and install this RAM for Android TV right here. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'll go ahead and hit on install. So after successful installation, go ahead and click on open. Then we have the app successfully installed right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android TV or Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.